Drug addiction, drugs. What are they? What is this thing we call drugs? I'm talking to you, the knower of knows, the one who knows what goes on inside people's heads, who determines when and how they shall live. Did you ever stop to stand and ask them, what is it that goes on inside them? What is it that drives them to that? Have you ever thought that you, yes, you, darling, yes, you coming with a solution could be the mightiest problem of all, because you don't know that person. You do not know what goes on inside that person, because there's a lot of mightiness that goes on inside somebody who puts something that makes them awaken to states of haberness, of pure delight out of this world. Now you tell me. Because when you say those things are bad, yes, it's all synthetic, it's all mixed up and blah, blah, blah. But how about approaching drug addiction in a different way? Keep the high, take away the substance, find something that is natural that will enhance that state that the person needs to be in. And when they are ready to let go of that, they will. Stop. Because when you keep pushing and pressing, they push harder because they are stronger than you are. They smile, they got tears in their eyes, but trust me, inside them live a mighty jungle of pure ecstasy of no laboratory can ever create. We are abundance of DMT. Google it, baby. Get your natural high. Put yourself in that high. Take your high back. Claim your high. It ain't nothing wrong to be high. It's nice to be high, but do it inside yourself. Ask me how. It ding ding ding. I love you. MmewaPula. The black Scot. The liver, the one who flies, the wings, the birds. Ke nna kaofela tsona. O a itseba wena o mang? Tlo ko jwetse.